Hello traders. In this video, we're looking at the centered moving average CMA indicator for MT4. This is a smoothing tool designed to reduce chart noise and reveal the underlying trend and market cycles more clearly than a standard moving average. I'll load the indicator on the screen so we can see how it appears in real time. On MT4, the CMA indicator plot a smooth curved line directly on your price chart, following price action more cleanly and with less lag than many traditional moving average. As you can see here, it switches instantly, almost instantly. So I like the change in trend, and its color coding makes it easier to notice, because it is designed to approximate a center moving average. The line helps highlight the true direction of the trend, important swing points, and broader market cycles while filtering out a lot of minor fluctuations. Now let's look at the settings. The main CMA period settings controls how many bars are used in the smoothing calculation, with shorter or smaller periods giving faster, more sensitive lines, while longer periods creating slower and very smooth trend curves. Additional smoothing or method options such as Hanning, triangular, or double smoothing approximations lets you fine tune how aggressively the CMA filters noise versus how closely it tracks price. The same indicator is well suited for traders who want a clear, low noise view of trend direction and market structure, especially for swing and position trading. It's a visual trend tool only, does not execute trades, and while it does reduce lag compared to many simple moving averages, it can still respond slowly during sharp reversals and should be combined with price action or other indicators for confirmation. You can download the CMA indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This indicator gives you an ultra smooth, visually clean trend lines with colors that helps you see direction, cycles, and pullbacks more clearly than standard moving averages. If you found this breakdown useful, remember to like the video, subscribe to the Forex Geek, and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator guides.